Bienvenidos al programa de español en línea. Yo soy el profesor Gilberto García y en este video vamos a trabajar dobles objetos. When we have direct objects and indirect objects in the same sentence. Okay, acting as a pronouns. So these are the pronouns that we are going to use to replace. This is just a review, and remember the purpose is to avoid repetition in speech and in writing. So, los pronombres que usaremos son lo, la, los y las, que son los objetos directos, y me, te, le, nos y les, que son los objetos indirectos. Okay, so remember, ¿cuál es la pregunta que contesta el objeto directo? Es la pregunta ¿qué? Plus the verb. So, and then the indirect objects are going to answer the questions a quién or para quién plus the verb. So, let's work on a sentence that we already practiced. So, my sentence is, Gilberto enseña español a la clase. Okay, we are going to focus in both. Let's start with the objetos directos, ok. So, ¿qué enseña? Español. Español, masculino singular, lo vamos a reemplazar por lo. Gilberto lo enseña a la clase, ok. So, acuérdense que this one is like math. We need to start like step by step and everything, so that way we can start replacing as we go. Ok, so, objetos directos, Gilberto lo enseña a la clase, primer objeto directo. Ahora, when we have the direct object, we can work on the indirect object. So, the question is, ¿a quién enseña? Oh, a la clase, this is the indirect object, so we are going to replace this with le. So now, we have the sentence here, Gilberto lo enseña a la clase, so, because we have just one verb and we know that we need to place it before the verb that is conjugated. So the indirecto, we are going to apply the same rules, but we already have the directo here. So we are going to place it before the indirecto. Gilberto le lo enseña español. Okay? In fact, I just erase español because we already replace it. It's here, it's lo. So I delete that. So Gilberto le lo enseña, this is my sentence, but do you think sounds right? Le lo enseña? No. So there is a rule when we have this L sound in Spanish, we need to change the le, which is the objeto indirecto, to a se. Okay? So my final sentence is going to be Gilberto se lo enseña. I hope this makes sense. Let's continue working in other examples. So, Gilberto compró un pastel para Carla. ¿Qué compró? Objeto directo, un pastel. The pronoun that I'm going to use is lo. Gilberto lo compró para Carla. Ok, entonces, ¿para quién compró? Para Carla. This is the objeto indirecto, which is going to be a le. Here, I have it right. Gilberto le lo compró, and the same. We're going to apply the same rule. It doesn't sound right to use the same consonant in this case. This sound, la, 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 la. So that's why this le, we're going to change it to se. Usually, it's going to happen when we have objetos indirectos in third person. This can be singular or plural. We will see examples. Gilberto se lo compró. Okay. What's gonna happen here? Aquí tenemos something more interesting. So, my sentence is gonna be, Gilberto va a comprar un pastel para Carla. That's the plan. I need to replace all of these objects in this sentence, okay? So, ¿qué va a comprar? Un pastel. This is the objeto directo, lo. Entonces, my new sentence is, Gilberto lo va a comprar para Carla. Or it can be, Gilberto va a comprarlo para Carla. In this case, Remember that it depends the pattern that you apply from the rule, okay? Ahora, ¿para quién compró? Para Carla. This is the objeto indirecto. This is a third person singular. So we are going to have le. Ahora, here is going to be something very interesting because you need to make decisions. If you are going to place, you need to place both objects, the directos and indirectos, before, or you can apply it after, but you are not allowed to apply one and one. You need to make a decision. What is better, to go before or after? So we will see here. Let's see that I'm gonna do it before the verb that is conjugated, which is va. So Gilberto le lo va a comprar. And remember, this le lo doesn't work. So this le, I'm gonna change it to se. Gilberto se lo va a comprar. This is the sentence if I decide to place them before. Now, if you decide to place all the objects after the verb that is not conjugated, which is comprar, this is going to be the outcome. Gilberto va a comprárselo. Okay? When it's before, when it's after, I mean the placement, so we need to place the objeto indirecto first and then the directo. Gilberto va a comprárselo. You see, this celo is here, just attached to the infinitive. Muy bien, muchas gracias. Nos vemos.